Hi, this is Miss Cindy. Hope everybody's doing okay today. This is not going to be a long video. In my previous video, I did some placemats for this dining room table when all my plastic and everything is taken off of it. So I also had a centerpiece that I wanted to redo over. So this is the old basket that I already had a centerpiece in here. At the end of my other video, I saw I couldn't get this out. So I want to paint this, but I want to paint it with a textured paint and see how it comes out, see if it works. If it doesn't work, I'll put my floral arrangement in something else. If it works, then fine. Anyway, so I'm going to use the Rust-Oleum stone, and it's a mineral brown. I have to gesso this, and I put my gesso on with a soft brush. And that's after I clean it up. So the first step I'm going to do is go ahead and clean it up, wash it up really good, let it dry. And then I'm going to gesso it, and then I'm going to spray paint it. The gesso I can show you here. Everybody knows how to gesso, but I'll gesso it and show you what it looks like. And then when I do the spray paint, I have to do this outside. I can't do it inside. So over here, just some of the flowers that I did take out that I'm going to just put back in. And we're just going to see if we can get a good new look, a fresher look to this arrangement. I've done many arrangements, and I've actually painted a wicker basket, but I've never done a textured spray paint on a wicker basket. So that's what we're going to see if that comes out today. So I'll be back. Okay, this has been primed. So I'm going to go ahead and let that dry real good. And then tomorrow I will probably go ahead and spray paint it. And then once that's dry, I'll bring it back. Okay, here's a quick shot where I spray painted it with that Rust-Oleum. It's not as dark as I expected it to be. But hey, it got coverage. I'm clicking off now. This is complete and it's dry now, but it did take two coats of spray. Not too bad. I got the coverage. I got the look, but it feels like plastic. It doesn't feel like stone. And I was expecting this to be like really rough, but it's not. It's real smooth. It almost feels like a brown wax basket. So if that makes sense, the result is not, I guess, what I was looking for. It's just like real smooth. It just feels like wax. It does not feel like stone. Anyway, I did get it painted. It has the specs and the colors, the textured colors in there. Nobody's going to be feeling it. So I'm going to remove my paper and then go ahead and finish this up. As you can see, the difference between the wicker part and what it actually, after it had coverage, is so extremely different. Okay, once I put my floral arrangement back in it, I'll be done. Okay, I'm finished with this project. I went ahead and put my flowers back into this basket. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with the way it came out. Like I said, the way it feels and looks in person is a lot different than I had expected. So this is like part 2, because I also have on the table where I did the parchment paper placemats. So this is just another way that you can come up with decorating the dining room table. You can make your own placemats without using cloth. And just a new flower arrangement. The only thing I did was I spray painted the wicker basket with a textured paint. So, hope you enjoyed the content. Have a great day. I already got in mind another project, one I really want to do with the kids too. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and always come back because I got something going on.